So I have a product that's perfect for the GoPro or any action cameras or smartphone. And bear with me because it might look a little bit ridiculous, but it's actually very handy and probably one of the better accessories that I've seen. What you actually get in the box is the necklace, a nice phone holder with a cold shoe mount. That's pretty cool. 2 additional mounts, one to be able to change it to vertical shooting, and 2 screws, one short and one long, and a tool for tightening and loosening. The necklace itself is plastic, but it also has a really nice snap mechanism to it. And then you can just press the button to release it. That just makes it so much easier just to put around your neck and be ready to go. Like, that's really nice. And to be honest, I've used the lanyards with the magnetic systems and stuff like that, and this is by far the easiest, especially if you're wearing a hat. And when it's around your neck, maybe it's a little bit too close to your neck, and there's a little button where you can also extend it out just a little bit further. And if you want more of that solid chest point of view, you can actually just flip it upside down and have your GoPro upside down, and there it is, just flat against your chest. So now you can get those nice point of view shots with your GoPro Action 2 Go 2 smartphone. I also like how you can angle it to whatever shot you want and shoot it in vertical mode, but also the fact that you can preview your shots really quickly and know what you're getting. Now, one thing to note about this wouldn't be ideal for like running, because if you're bouncing up and down, it's gonna be moving as well. I mean, it's pretty stable for the most part, but yeah, if you're just gonna be doing something like, if you're trying to make it move, I guess it'll move, but it's still pretty good. I actually highly recommend something like